Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to set up offline conversion tracking using Dialics and Google Ads integration. This setup will enable you to automatically report your calls to Google Ads as conversions while capturing detailed insights into which specific marketing campaigns are driving the most calls to your business. The first step is to decide what campaigns in Google Ads you want to track. If visitors are coming to your landing page, implementing dynamic numbers allows you to enjoy the benefits of detailed attribution. This includes tracking which ads and keywords led to phone calls, gathering caller data, and optimizing your campaigns effectively. On the other hand, if you're running call-only ads or using call extensions, static numbers are the way to go, as they are directly linked to specific ads and don't offer the same level of detailed attribution. In this video, we'll guide you through how to track phone calls from your website using dynamic numbers and sending back the call conversion to Google Ads. Step 1. Buying a tracking number. To begin tracking calls from your website, the first step is to purchase a tracking number. Log into your Dialics account and navigate to your campaigns. Go into your campaign settings, and in the tracking number section, click on the arrow next to Add, then select Buy Numbers. Here you'll have the option to buy the new tracking number. Search for the number you wish, for example a toll-free number, and click on Buy next to the number in the list. After clicking on Confirm, in the new number wizard, select Dynamic Number. Step 2. Configure the tracking number. After purchasing the tracking number, you'll be redirected to the Setup page. This dynamic number setup consists of two important features for tracking offline conversions from your website. You will have to set up a number pool and a traffic source in order to capture detailed attribution data. First, let's select a number pool. For this video, I have already created a number pool, so I will select the number pool from the drop-down menu. If you haven't already set up a number pool in Dialics, please refer to our video on how to set up number pools. Once your number pool is selected, Dialics will generate a JavaScript or PHP code snippet with a unique identifier for your pool. Click on Show Integration Code and choose between the JS or PHP integration. Place this code on the pages where you plan to use dynamic number insertion. This ensures that unique numbers are displayed to visitors. Now, when users visit your site, they'll see a unique phone number. The data from these interactions is sent back to your Dialics account, allowing you to track which ads and keywords are driving the most calls. Step 3. Integrating Google Ads with Dialics. Next, let's link this tracking number to your Google Ads account. The traffic source feature allows you to identify and attribute incoming calls to a specific channel. Click on the drop-down menu and select Create Traffic Source, then choose Google Ads from the Templates list. You'll be redirected to the configuration page where you'll give this traffic source a unique name. Next, link your Google Ads account by clicking on the Sign In with Google button and following the prompts to verify your Google account and grant the necessary permissions. After successful verification, you'll be redirected back to the setup page where you will select the Google Ads account you want to integrate. Step 4. Configuring conversion reporting. Now that your accounts are integrated, it's time to set up how Dialics will report calls as conversions to Google Ads. You can either use an existing conversion in Google Ads or create a new one. We will choose to create a new conversion. Select Create New Conversion. Now we will have to configure the conversion. First, you will have to give this conversion a unique name. For conversion type, you can select clicks, since you're tracking users who call from your website. Last but not least, select the triggers based on your specific goals. You can trigger a conversion when a call results in a successful outcome, such as a call converted, call connected, or incoming call. Step 5. Configure the parameters you wish to track. Value track parameters are used to track information about the source of an ad click. By adding these parameters to your ads and campaigns, you can identify if people who clicked on your ads used mobile devices, the keywords, where they were located when they clicked your ads, and much more. The most essential parameter is the gclid, which uniquely identifies each click from your ad. However, to gain deeper insights, consider tracking additional parameters like the campaign ID, ad group ID, creative, match type, network, device, and keyword. These parameters help you understand which marketing channels and strategies are most effective. In Dialics, go to the Parameters section and enter the parameters you wish to track. By default, the gclid parameter will already be added, but you should include the additional parameters as well. Once all parameters are entered, ensure they are saved and active. Step 6. Set up a tracking template in Google Ads. With your parameters configured in Dialics, the next step is to add these parameters also to your Google Ads account. Navigate to the campaign settings in Google Ads and find the tracking template settings. Then enter your custom tracking template by entering curly brackets, LP, URL, curly brackets, followed by a question mark, and then any value track parameters you want to use, separated by ampersands. An example template might look like this. Please note that the parameter names should match also to those in Dialics. After entering the template, save your changes. Step 7. Enable auto-tagging in Google Ads. Last but not least, to ensure accurate tracking and reporting, you should enable auto-tagging in your Google Ads account settings. To enable this feature, go to your Google Ads account settings and ensure auto-tagging is activated. And that's it. You have successfully set up offline conversion tracking using Dialics and Google Ads integration. Now you will see your conversions in Google Ads and will be able to optimize your campaigns for higher ROI. Thank you for watching.